Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to remove door sill on Lexus CT200. This all the way is double side taped, but if you want to use again, the best way, use a hot air gun or hair dryer, warming up nicely. Don't melt it, just warming up. Okay, this is good enough. Let's start from the bottom, and don't just pull down first and then pull, but all the way just pulling down, and slowly, yeah. Nice and slowly. And voila, nothing double side tape left on. This is just dirt. And this one all the way nice and sticky, so very easy to putting back. And just it. Let's put in some nice dry dust free area. Looks like this. All right guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.